So, I need that extra firmness. So, mas pinipili ko na yung mga products na may firming FA merong ganitong net pouch. Kasi extra scrubbing effect and exfoliating benefit pag ginamit nyo na may ganito. Yung parang naging pino at mas naging clear yung tang na grapes. Medyo ganon yung amoy niya. Ewan ko ba, ang dami ko nang na-try na skincare na nasa Watsons lang. Pero hindi ko trinay si Soul White. Hey guys, beautiful day. Ang liwanag, di ba? Ang init sa labas, guys. Kaya nakaganito ako. Nag-aircon ako para relax lang. Ayoko muna magbihis ng panlakad because it's so hot talaga. Ayon, welcome to a brand new video. And as promised, I'll be sharing to you new products. And this one is the Soul White Korea Bright Renew Serum Soap with retinol, collagen, and glutathione. This one's brightening plus firming. So, I am after to its firming benefit more than the brightening benefit. So guys, and I'm gonna make a lather. In fairness, magula siya. Let me move closer to you guys. Usually with bar soaps, nakaka-dry siya ng face. But this one, basa pa, no? But I did not feel any dryness in my face. For first time use, non-drying, hindi rin siya nakaka-strip ng natural moisture of the skin. Yan. With other bar soaps kasi parang matte na matte yung face mo, banat na banat, may tightening effect. With this one, wala naman. So the last soap that I've shared here in my YouTube channel is the one from Fairy Skin pa. Yun talaga yung ginawa kong maintenance prior to using the Soul White Korea soap. Pero, nung ni-release to, nung nakita ko to, if I'm not mistaken, si Ellen Adarna ang endorser nito. I was intrigued because may retinol siya, tapos serum soap siya. And also, meron na rin siyang glutathione and collagen. So, may whitening, tapos may retinol siya, at I'm slowly leading towards skincare products na may retinol kasi I'm in my 30s, 30 plus na po ako, and nakikita ko na medyo nagkaka-wrinkle na ako, tapos medyo nagsasag na yung ibang part ng aking skin, ibang part ng aking body. So, I need that extra firmness. So, mas pinipili ko na yung mga products na may firming effect and may anti-wrinkle effect. Papansin nyo with other brands, pag may retinol, collagen, purple siya. Meron lang brand na retinol pero hindi purple, yung Snail White. Gold tsaka white yung packaging, diba? Tinap ko muna si Fairy Skin kasi medyo yun na talaga yung naging favorite ko lately. Nagustuhan ko yung effect niya sa skin ko. Trinay ko to because of its retinol. And guys, number one na gustong-gusto ko is pag ang soap, ito pala, ubos na. Pag ang soap merong ganitong net pouch. Kasi extra scrubbing effect and exfoliating benefit pag ginamit nyo na may ganito yung soap. And also, mas nagiging mas mabula yung soap. This comes with the product. And also, number two, hindi siya mabilis matunaw. At nakakatipid yun, guys, pag hindi mabilis matunaw kasi mas matagal mo siyang magagamit. With this one, nasa 90 grams to siya, guys. Nagamit ko siya ng almost 2 months. Ginagamit ko lang siya sa body morning and night. So, sa face, hindi ko masyadong ginamit kasi takot rin ako baka masyadong maging dry sa aking face. Another reason that I like about this soap is that parang naging fine yung aking skin. With the other soap, nakaka-smoothen naman siya. Pero ito parang fine, parang naging pino at mas naging clear ang aking skin complexion while using this product. Lalong-lalo na ginamit ko to during the time na nagkasakit ako. So, medyo dry ang aking skin. Medyo dull ako tignan. Kasi I've stopped taking din my skincare supplements, my beauty supplements to give way to my medication. So, mas naging consistent ako sa aking skincare routine. Kasi mas dun na lang ako parang dun ko na lang kinukuha yung para glowing ako tignan kasi wala nga akong tinitake na mga pang-paglow ng skin. Stinap ko nga. So, this one, okay siya guys, nakaka-firm. Tapos parang, alam mo yung parang baby yung skin mo, yung parang pino. If you get what I mean, yung basta, yung collagen. Parang naging bata, tignan yung skin ko. With the firmness, yes, meron din, lalo na sa legs na part kasi mas nakikita ko na medyo nagsasag yung part ng aking legs. So, mas nakikita ko dun yung effect niya sa aking skin. But when it comes to its brightening effect, not right away, not instant, gradual siyang nakaka-brighten ng skin. Hindi siya yung instant brightening just like the other soaps na isang gamitan lang, dalawang gamitan lang, uy, talagang, 'di ba? Pumuti ka talaga. But this one, hindi siya ganon. Gradual siyang nakakaputi. Mas una mo makikita yung ginagawa niyang fine yung skin mo, tapos ginagawa niyang firm. Moisturizing din siya, hindi siya nakaka-dry. Last na yung brightening effect. Ayun. And lastly, this one, meron siyang luminous effect on the skin. Ewan ko ba, ang dami ko nang na-try na skincare na nasa Watsons lang, pero hindi ko trinay si Soul White. And meron din silang mga facial skincare sets for acne, brightening also, and hydrating. Yung blue, yung green na packaging, yung pink na packaging. Hindi ko trinay. Next time, pag maubos-ubos na tong mga meron ako dito, try ko yun, guys. And for its price naman, 100 plus pesos for 90 grams. Matagal matunaw. And for its firming, moisturizing, nakaka-fine effect on my skin. Guys, okay siya. Pwede kong i-repurchase. Pwede kong i-alternate with the Fairy Skin. Kasi ito naman si Fairy Skin, mahirap palitan, guys. Kasi mura siya, guys. At maganda talaga yung effect niya sa skin. So, ito, pwedeng i-alternate ko na lang. Kasi hindi siya masyadong mahal. And meron siyang nasa promo pack, yung 3 soap na in 1 box. So, mas makakamura tayo with that one. And accessible siya kasi nasa Watsons lang siya. So, mabilis bilhin. Hindi mo na kailangan bilhin online palagi. Yung amoy niya is parang grapes. Yung parang grapes na powdery. Yung parang perfume na grapes. Parang ganun. Parang berry, something like that. Kung mahilig kayong uminom, guys, ng litro pack na mga sachet ng juice, yung tang na grapes, medyo ganun yung amoy niya. I think I have uploads pala on TikTok, guys. Hello Glow Lotions and Hello Glow Soothing Gel. So, doon ko in-upload sa TikTok para pumunta kayo doon. Punta kayo doon, guys. Visit my profile. I have other contents, not skincare related, mga mini vlogs. If you like those, follow nyo rin ako doon. And I think that's it for today's video. Also, follow me on Instagram at it's Jaya Chan. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Help me reach 12K. But I hope by the time you're watching this, 12K subs na tayo. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye!